Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of stuck on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about stuck on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you can find apps and you will enter to YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.